welcome back to Bo's Fishing Adventures. Out here on Keyhole doing some fishing. Stay tuned. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. Let's get it. Fish on. Ooh. That's good. Oh, it's a smallmouth bass. A good one too, buddy. That might be a master angler. Got him. Woohoo! Heck yeah, bud. Huh? If that's 16 inches, that's a small master angler, buddy. No. He's still there. Tighten that thing. That's a big one, whatever it is. Ooh, what is that? Huh? Smallmouth bass. Score. Heck yeah. Got me a smallie. Well, heck yeah. Nice little walleye. Hey, bud. Feels a little bit better. It's walleye, I think. Here it comes. Oh, no, what is that? That's a carp. It's a pike. Oh, it is a pike. That's a nice pike, buddy. Woo-hoo! Oh, yeah. Hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay hooked. Never know where we're going next. Bolo. Out catching fishes.